now we will talk about how to remove the backcombing that we did. A lot of times the clients are scared how will the backcombing be removed, and they are scared that the hair would fall. So the first thing first, you will need to spread the section out so that you kind of are in between the backcombing. So you really need to loosen it up. Then on the part where you have applied hairspray, apply shine spray just where the backcombing is. Don't apply it on all the pieces of hair, just where the backcombing was. Apply shine spray and let the shine spray stay on the hair for a couple of minutes. What shine spray does is it actually breaks the adhesive quality of whole spray, so that when you will go in and try to remove the backcombing, it'll be softer. You will use paddle brush for this, and what you need to do is take out small pieces and then tap it on your palm. You can use the back of your fingers or the back of your palm. All you need to do is tap it. Let's say like tap, 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 tap. And the more you tap, the easier it gets for the backcombing to come out. You will use the tapping function in a circular motion. So like tap, 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 and then bring some of the backcombing out. And do it section by section, small by small pieces. I feel you should also educate this to your clients so that when they remove the backcombing by themselves when they're at home, they'll be all good and happy. Just keep doing the same motion over and over again, and make sure that you are taking away the backcombing section by section. Again, taking this piece of hair, I will just place it on the back of my fingers or on my palm and tap it. So tap and roll forward, tap and roll forward, tap and roll forward. That's the motion. Tap and roll forward. Practice this a couple number of times. Backcomb the hair and then detangle the backcombing. Backcomb the hair and then remove the backcombing. See, I'm doing like tap, 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 come back in a circular motion, just like that. Do that a couple of times so that you're comfortable with backcombing the hair and you're comfortable with removing the backcombing. Also, a good checkpoint is how much hair came off in your backcombing brush or your paddle brush. That is a good check about how much are you doing.